YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel, OhhSoPaige. I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, what is this hair? It's cute. And this is actually hair that I've had for about a year now. It was not this color originally. It was Russian blonde, and I will post a picture here. It was by the company By Monae, and it was Russian blonde, so it was like a more like a pale yellowish blonde. And so I dyed it ash blonde this past weekend, and you guys, I'm actually really happy with the results. I thought I was gonna look crazy because honestly, when you're dyeing it, it gets this really dark color that looks crazy, but it wasn't bad. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you those clips now, and I'll be back to talk to you some more about the hair. so now that you've seen the whole process, I know I did a voiceover, but I'll show you guys the boxes once again. So I did medium ash blonde. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. So I did medium ash blonde by Revlon on the bottoms of the hair. And then I did this dark ash blonde on the root. The frontal, this Russian blonde frontal was way lighter than my bundles a little bit. Like you can see a slight difference in the brightness. So my frontal was actually a little bit lighter. So I think that it made the roots still pretty much equal out with the medium ash blonde. But I like it, you guys. I definitely don't like how it looks on me without makeup though. So I feel like this is a color you would have to like have your face beat for. I did see a more chocolate skin girl in this color, and it looked awesome on her. So I just don't know if it's just not for me, but I still like the color. It's just gonna take some getting used to because I'm so used to either being the bronzy blonde or like platinum or like yellow blonde. I'm not used to being ash. Like this is the first time I've ever been ash. Even though my real hair is kind of like a platinum ash, it's just still a little bit lighter than this. So this is kind of dark. So I think that I probably should have got light ash because they had light, medium, and dark ash. And I went with the medium and dark because I just felt like if I got light, it probably wouldn't have looked different. But I should have did like light and medium versus medium and dark. But if you guys like this look, like I said, I will link all the hair information down below in the description box. And the website, Bangs by Monae, as well, for you to take a look at the frontal and the actual bundles for it. I was going to do some baby hairs, you guys, but I got really lazy. I'm not going to lie. So hopefully this look looks cute to you guys. As long as I've had this wig, I've never really like styled it in any type of way other than just like a side part and wore it down. But I'm trying to be not so lazy with my looks and with my hair. So I'm trying to get a little bit more diverse, as well as my makeup, you guys. Like I am growing. So as you know, I don't do eyeshadows and stuff, but I've been practicing. I've been taking looks and trying to recreate them. So let me know also in the comments below if you think my makeup looks good, my eyeshadow, because you guys, this took me like 2 hours to do. Not 2 hours, but like an hour and a half. Like I watched a whole movie and a half of another movie while I was doing this look. So whatever. But all right, guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.